grind, the relentless pursuit of your goals. But you can't pour from an empty cup. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Make time for yourself. Prioritize self-care to show up as your best self. Look, we all know IQ is important, but EQ, your emotional intelligence, that's your secret weapon. It's about understanding and managing your own emotions and recognizing the emotions of others. The most successful people, they're people smart. They can read a room, navigate difficult conversations, build strong relationships. Developing your EQ can improve your relationships, communication, and success. We're visual creatures, right? We see something we want, and boom, it's stuck in our heads. Visualization is a tool for achieving your wildest dreams. Imagine yourself achieving your goals, programming your mind for success. Create a mental blueprint, a roadmap to get you where you want to be. Picture yourself crossing that finish line, delivering that killer presentation. Close your eyes, visualize your success, and watch it become your reality. Yo, what's up everybody? It's MK here, back with another life hack. This one's huge. Confidence. It's about knowing your worth. Confidence is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Own your wins. Every victory counts. Celebrate it. Step outside your comfort zone. Real growth happens there. Cut yourself some slack. Learn from your mistakes. Surround yourself with positive people. Confidence is about believing in yourself. So get out there and own it. You got this. Let's talk communication, the backbone of every successful endeavor. Clear communication is key. It's about truly connecting. First, active listening. Really listen to understand perspectives. Build trust and make people feel heard. Be direct. Cut through the noise. Ask questions. Show engagement. Communication is a two-way street. Speak your truth. Listen with intent. Master these skills and watch your relationships flourish. All right, let's be real. The world's changing faster than ever. Technology, trends, information overload, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But staying informed is crucial. Information is fuel. It powers your creativity, decision-making, and ability to navigate this world. Podcasts, documentaries, books, articles, there's a wealth of knowledge out there. Find what interests you and dive in. Follow thought leaders, subscribe to newsletters, engage in conversations. The more you know, the more you can grow. Embrace the power of staying in the know. We're on this crazy train ride we call life, right? Ups and downs, twists and turns. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle, but hold up, take a breath. Let's talk about gratitude. You ever notice how when you're grateful for the little things, suddenly the world seems a little brighter? Gratitude helps us appreciate what we have instead of stressing about what we don't. Start a gratitude journal. Every day, jot down 3 things you're thankful for. Trust me, gratitude isn't just some fluffy, feel-good stuff. It's a game changer. Life throws curveballs. It's inevitable. What separates dreamers from doers? Resourcefulness. Be a master of improvisation, finding solutions against the odds. Get creative. Think outside the box. Use what you've got. Some built empires with duct tape and hustle. Tap into your network. Ask for help. It's about being smart, adaptable, and resourceful. Let's be real. Staying in your comfort zone is safe, but also kind of boring, right? To achieve something extraordinary, you gotta step outside those comfy confines. Every great invention, every breakthrough started with someone taking a chance. Sure, there's a chance of failure, but the regret of never trying is worse. Calculated risks, my friends. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons. Sometimes, the greatest opportunities lie on the other side of that fear. So, what are you waiting for? Take that leap. You might just surprise yourself with how high you can fly. Yo, we've all been there, right? Staring at a problem like it's a brick wall we just ran into. It's easy to get stuck replaying what went wrong. But that energy, it's wasted. What separates dreamers from doers? They've learned to shift that energy. Every problem is an opportunity in disguise. It's a chance to innovate, to create. Look beyond the problem. Shine that light on solutions. Focus on the solution. Unlock creativity. That's when the magic happens. Let's talk about delegation, people. It sounds like something only CEOs in suits talk about. But trust me, this applies to everyone. You can't do everything yourself. Trying to? Recipe for burnout. Delegating is about being smart with your time. You've got a limited amount of hours in a day. Focus on what only you can do. Build a team. Leverage other skills. We live in a culture that glorifies the hustle, the grind, the 24/7 mentality. But you can't pour from an empty cup. Work-life balance isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about making time for the things that matter. You need both, the moments of peace, the connections that fuel your soul. When you figure it out, everything changes. Yo, what's up everybody? It's MK here back with another life hack for you. This one is so simple yet so powerful. It's all about honesty. Be real with yourself, be up with others, and build of trust. We live in a world where it's trying to fill their lives. But honesty cuts through all that noise. It's about being vulnerable, admitting your mistakes. When you're honest, you build genuine connections. People respect that. The more you do it, the easier it gets. Honesty builds momentum. Filters, keep it real, and watch how honesty changes the game. Let's talk about patience. We live in a world of instant gratification. Order it online, it shows up the next day. But real success takes patience. Think of it like building a skyscraper. Brick by brick, layer by layer. Patience is about trusting the process. Anything worth having takes patience. Let's talk motivation. We all hit those walls where the finish line seems miles away. How do you stay motivated when it gets tough? Know your why. What's driving your goals? Keep that why front and center. Break down big goals into smaller steps. Celebrate small victories. Surround yourself with the right people. Positive energy is contagious. Keep pushing, keep grinding, you got this. Yo, what's up everyone? It's Michael here, back with another life hack. This one's all about those small victories, those little wins that often get overlooked. We forget to appreciate the journey, you know? Celebrating those small wins, those little milestones along the way, that's what keeps you fueled, keeps you motivated. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a reason to celebrate. These small wins build momentum, build confidence, and remind you that you're capable of achieving great things. Let's talk about learning from others. Tap into the wealth of knowledge and experience around us. Every person you meet, every book you read, every conversation you have, it's an opportunity to learn. Surround yourself with people who challenge and inspire you. By embracing different perspectives, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world.